In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide experience in LinkedIn. Maybe you're updating your career, doing a bit of job searching on the side, or you just want a cleaner, more private profile. Whatever your reason, LinkedIn gives you control over which experience entries are visible to others. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to hide both your current and past experience, and I'll explain what each setting actually does so you know exactly what's changing. First, open LinkedIn in your browser and make sure you're logged in. From the homepage, head straight to your profile dashboard. You can do this by clicking on your profile photo or your name, usually found at the top of the page or in the Me menu. This will take you to your main profile page, where all your information is displayed, including your headline, About section, and the Experience section. Once you're on your profile, look near the top right area of the page for a small pen icon. This pen icon is LinkedIn's Edit button. When you click it, you're not just editing your headline or your photo, you're also opening up a panel where you can manage how different parts of your profile appear to others. After clicking the pen icon, a new window or side panel will open with several options. Here, you'll see settings related to your public profile, including visibility controls for different sections. Look for the area that mentions your experience. You should see toggles or switches next to current experience and past experience. These toggles determine whether those parts of your experience show up on your public profile. To hide them, simply click on each toggle to turn it off. When a toggle is off, it usually changes color or moves to the opposite side, indicating that the setting is now disabled. Turn off the toggle for current experience if you don't want people to see your present role, and turn off the one for past experience if you want to hide your previous positions as well. Take a moment to double check that both toggles are in the off position. Then confirm or save your changes if LinkedIn prompts you to do so. Once you've saved, your profile will immediately update and visitors will no longer see the experience entries you've chosen to hide. Remember, you can always come back to the same area and turn the toggles back on if you change your mind later.